Question 14 is 3.005 add 6.12. It's not as difficult as it seems as long as you line up the decimal points and be careful when you're lining up the digits. So let's start. 3.005 add, now the 6 is in the ones column or the units column. Put the decimal point down and then it's 1, 2. Just on a side note, let me just try to explain this. This is the ones column or the units column. Now, there's the decimal point, and now this column here is the tenths column. That means if you take one whole unit and you divide it by 10, it will go into there. This here is the hundredths column, and this column is the thousandths column. So let me write this down. It's the tenths column. This here is the hundredths column. And finally, this here is the thousandth. So tenths, hundredths, thousandths. And that is the units or the ones column. Okay, back to where we were. So let's put in this decimal point and leave it there. So what we're doing is now we're going to do 5 add, there's nothing here, so it's 5 add nothing is 5. And then you have 0 add 2, which is 2. 0 add 1, which is 1. And 3 add 6, which is 9. So our answer is 9.125. Try avoid saying 9.125. It's better to say 9.125. Question 15 is 486 divided by 3 or shared by. So it's divided by or shared by. So how I like to see this is 486 shared by 3 or divided by 3. This is what's going on in my head. So it's raining. I'm going to build a bus shelter. So now I know the 486 is getting wet, so he's going to go inside. 486. So the 3 has to go outside. Now we ask ourselves, how many 3s are there in 4? There's 1 3, remainder 1. And this 1 goes on to the next column, so that 8 becomes an 18. So let me do that again. How many 3s are there in 4? So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. How many groups of 3 can I get? 1, 2, 3. Let me put that into a group. I've got 1 group and I can't get any more groups. So it's 1, remainder 1. And that remainder goes here. So now this 8 becomes 18. How many 3s are there in 18? So let me do this. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 6. There's no remainder, so we continue. How many 3s are there in 6? So there's 2 groups of 3 in 6. Let me just do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many groups of 3? There's 1, 2, 3, 1 group, 1, 2, 3, 2 groups. So the answer is 2. There's no remainder, so we stop there. So the answer is 162.